Good morning, students. In previous class, I had solved examples 8 and the theorem 6.8. Today I am going to start exercise 6.3. In first number question, in figure 6.39, sides QP and RQ of a triangle PQR are produced to point S and T respectively. If angle SPR is equal to 135 degree and angle PQT बराबर 110 degree, find angle PQR. At first we draw figure in question number first question. It should be 110 degree, 110 degree TQR. TQR and 135 degree. S. Yes. In the given figure, sides QP and RQ of triangle PQR are produced to point S and T respectively. Angle SPR and angle PQT are given. We have to find angle PRQ. In the given figure, PQ and QR are produced to PQ and RQ of triangle PQR. Of triangle PQR are produced to point by S and T respectively. S and T respectively. Angle PQT is equal to 110 degree and angle SPR is equal to SPR बराबर 135 degree. 135 degree. We have to find the value of angle PRQ. Since angle PQT plus angle PQR बराबर 180 degree by linear pair. Yeah, angle PQT 110 degree plus angle PQR is equal to 180 degree. Yeah, angle PQR बराबर 180 degree minus 110 degree is equal to 70 degree. Also angle QPR plus angle SPR is equal to 180 degree. by linear pair. By linear pair, yeah, angle QPR plus angle SPR is given 135 degree. 135 degree is equal to 180 degree. Yeah, angle QPR बराबर angle QPR बराबर 180 डिग्री माइनस 135 डिग्री is equal to 45 degree. Now I have angle PQR is equal to 70 degree and angle QPR is equal to 50 degree. Then the third angle of triangle PQR is equal to now angle PRQ. Now angle PRQ बराबर now angle PRQ बराबर 180 डिग्री माइनस angle PQR plus angle QPR is equal to 180 degree minus angle PQR is equal to 70 degree plus angle QPR बराबर 45 degree is equal to 180 degree minus 115 degree is equal to 65 degree. 65 degree. So the value of angle PRQ is equal to 65 degree. Similarly, you can solve 2 number and 3 number question. Similarly, 2 number and 3 number can be solved. And in question number 5, in question number 5, number question, 6 number question. In question number 6, the side QR of triangle PQR is produced to a point S if the bisectors of angle PQR and PRS meet at point T. Then prove that angle QTR is equal to 1/2 angle QPR. 6 number question. At first, draw figure. Skill key. Yes. In figure 6.44, the side QR of triangle PQR is produced to a point S. If the bisectors of angle PQR and angle PQR and angle PRS meet at a point T, then prove that angle QTR बराबर 1/2 angle QPR. In the given figure, bisectors of angle PQR and angle PRS meet at point T. You have to find the value of angle QTR बराबर. Angle PQR बराबर in triangle PQR angle PRS is equal to angle PQR plus angle QPR. Exterior angle is sum of exterior angle is sum of two interior opposite angles. PRS, yeah, 1/2 angle PRS बराबर 1/2 angle PQR plus 1/2 angle QPR. Dividing by 2. Now 1/2 angle PRS. 1/2 angle PRS. 1/2 angle PRS is equal to angle TRS. Yeah. Angle TRS is equal to 1/2 angle PQR बराबर angle TQR plus 1/2 angle QPR. Also, in triangle TQR, TRS बराबर angle TRS बराबर TRS बराबर angle TQR plus angle QTR. Reason is same. Exterior angle is the sum of two interior angles. Interior angles. From 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, angle TRS is equal to angle TQR plus 1 by 2 angle QPR, and angle TRS बराबर angle TQR plus QPR. So from 1 and 2, angle TQR plus 1 by 2 angle QPR. Angle QPR is equal to angle TQR plus angle QTR. Here TQR cancel. So angle QTR बराबर एंगल QTR, इसलिए एंगल QTR बराबर 1 by 2 एंगल QPR. Proved. In question number 6, here in given figure, the sides in the given figure, the side QR of triangle PQR is produced to a point S, and if the bisectors of angle PQR and PRS meet at point T, then find the angle QTR बराबर 1 by 2 angle QPR. In the given figure, side QR of triangle PQR is produced to point S. The bisectors of angle PQR and PRS meet at a point T. We have to find the value of angle QTR is equal to 1 by 2 angle QPR. In triangle PQR, PRS is an exterior angle. We have learnt before that an exterior angle is sum of two interior opposite angles. Therefore, angle PRS is equal to angle PQR plus angle QPR. Exterior angle is sum of two interior opposite angles. Yeah, dividing by 2 in both sides, 1 by 2 angle PRS is equal to 1 by 2 angle PQR plus 1 by 2 angle QPR. Dividing by 2. Dividing angle PQR, angle PRS. If we divide angle PRS by 2, then we get angle TRS. Half angle PRS is equal to angle TRS is equal to and half of angle PQR, or we can write angle TQR plus angle QPR. Suppose equation number 1, TQR in triangle TQR angle TRS is an exterior angle. So exterior angle is equal to the sum of two interior opposite angles. Therefore, angle TRS is equal to angle TQR plus angle QTR. Equation number 2. Reason is same. From 1 and 2, angle TRS is equal to angle TQR plus 1 by 2 angle QPR, and angle TRS is equal to angle TQR plus angle QPR. So from 1 and 2, angle TQR plus 1 by 2 angle QPR is equal to angle TQR plus angle QTR. Here TQR is common in both sides, so we can write angle QTR is equal to 1 by 2 angle QPR. It was to be proved. And in next class, I hope that you can complete this exercise. In next class, I will start new chapter, triangles, chapter 7. Thank you.